You've all heard of ChatGPT and Canva, but did you know you can now use them together? Yep, this powerful AI language model that can generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way just got even better. All of that power just got flexed into Canva, so you can create stunning visuals, generate logos, create memes, make social media posts, design literally anything just by typing a few words. Whether you're a designer, marketer, or just someone who wants to create beautiful content, the ChatGPT Canva plugin is a must-have tool. We're going to walk you through the entire process of installing and using the plugin, and then we're going to create some amazing graphics and image designs. And towards the end of the video, we've even covered prompt management for you and shared some bonus prompts that you can use just to get you started. So stay tuned, folks. To use the GPT Canva plugin, you'll need to have access to the GPT Plus version. It's $20 a month right now, but the plugin itself is free. To install the plugin, go to Settings, Beta, and Enable Plugins. Then go to the dashboard and click the ChatGPT 4 tab. Hover over Plugins and click the drop-down menu. Scroll to the bottom and click Plugin Store. Then search for the Canva plugin and install it. Once that's done, go back to the dashboard and you'll see Canva in the Plugins drop-down menu. Check the box next to Canva to enable it. Now that you've installed the plugin, you're ready to rock and roll. Simply type a prompt such as, "Create a social media post for my business." ChatGPT will automatically understand that you're referring to the Canva plugin, but if it doesn't, you can add "using the Canva plugin" to your prompt. ChatGPT will generate a variety of options, which you can download or use as inspiration for another prompt. Once you're happy with an image, download it and use it on your social media. And the coolest part, ChatGPT provides links with each image, so you can further customize it. Here's how to do just that. Once you click on a link, you'll be directed to Canva's design page. From here, you can customize the design even if you're not signed in. All of the elements in the image are clickable, so you can easily change their color, style, or position. If you don't like the color scheme, click Styles on the left side next to Templates. Here, you can try different color schemes and just choose the one you like best. Below the color palettes, you'll find different font styles. Check them out and select the one that best fits your project. And if you think the image is too simple, go to the Elements section and choose any relevant element. Drag it to the Image section and customize it accordingly. Finally, you have a text section to add any text you want. There's a couple of different styles to choose from, so if you don't like the text that GPT generated, this is where you change it up. You can then upload your image or PNG logo files, which is helpful if you're making a social media post and you want to add a logo to prevent content theft. There's also a draw section, which is kind of self-explanatory. Use all of these features to customize the images however you want, then click Share and download the PNG file. Back to the Canva plugin. Just go to the text box and ask it to generate a social media post. You can make Instagram stories, Facebook posts, Pinterest pins, whatever you need. It's a great tool for social media managers who need to create content for multiple platforms and brands. In your prompt, you can add all the necessary details, like topic, keyword, phrase, or questions that you want to generate an image for. You can also generate eye-catching graphics that can be used to promote your website or business. To do this, you'll need to start your prompt with the phrase, "Create a website banner." This will let the plugin know what type of content you want to make. Then specify the purpose and theme of your website banner, and provide some additional details such as the required size, color scheme, font, images, text, or layout. Canva is a really powerful design tool that can be used for a variety of business purposes. Like creating a logo. Canva has a wide variety of logo templates that you can customize to fit your brand. You can also upload your own images and fonts to create a unique logo, or use it to design presentations. Canva makes it easy to create professional-looking presentations. You can choose from a variety of templates and add your own text, images, and videos. Making memes. You can start with a blank template or use one of Canva's meme templates. Then add your own text and images to create a funny and engaging meme, like this one. Or use Canva to sell products online. Create designs for shirts, mugs, and any other products that you can sell online. Canva even integrates with a variety of e-commerce platforms, so it's super easy to get started with selling your products. Using Canva will also save you a pretty penny. Why hire designers when you can do it all yourself? And don't worry about making mistakes. That's how we learn, right? Canva's designs are easy to customize, and here's some tips that'll help you get the most out of the plugin. Be specific and clear about what you want to create. The more specific you are, the better the plugin will understand your prompt and generate the content that you want. For example, instead of typing, create a poster, you should type, create a poster for a charity event with a pink and purple color scheme and a heart-shaped logo. Use keywords and phrases that are relevant to the type of content you want to create. The plugin will then search for terms that are relevant to your prompt when generating content ideas. For example, if you want to create a social media post about a new product launch, you can use keywords like new product, product launch, and social media post. Try out different prompts and templates. The plugin can be used to create a variety of different types of content, so don't be afraid to experiment with different prompts and templates to see what works best for you. And use the plugin's other features too. These can help you to create seriously high-quality content, such as the ability to generate different creative text formats, translate languages, and write different kinds of creative content. Here's that bonus example of a specific and clear prompt that you could use with the Canva plugin. Create a social media post for my new product launch. The product is a new type of running shoe that's designed to be lightweight and comfortable. The target audience is young adults who are interested in fitness and fashion. This prompt is specific because it specifies the type of content, social media post, the product, new type of running shoe, the target audience, young adults who are interested in fitness and fashion, and the desired tone, positive and upbeat. The plugin will then use this specific information to generate a variety of social media post ideas, which you can then customize in Canva. Best thing to do is simply experiment with different prompts and see what kind of results you get. So if you're not happy with the results from a prompt like create a poster for my new product launch, you can try a different prompt like generate a TikTok post for my new fashion product launch that's both informative, informal, and engaging. A word to the wise. Don't rely completely on the image that GPT generates using this plugin. Always check out the custom options in Canva to see if you can improve the design. On the Canva editor, you can experiment with different color schemes, font designs, and other elements. See what works best for you. Once you're happy with the design, you can download it as a PNG or JPEG file. And here's a big tip for you. Save your favorite prompts. We'll say it again. Save your favorite prompts. If you find a prompt that generates good results, make sure you save it so you can use it again. This way, you can quickly and easily create great-looking content for your business without having to start from scratch every time. Here's how you save your favorite prompts. When you're in the GPT prompt box, click on the Save Prompt button. Enter a name for your prompt and click on the Save button. And to use your saved prompt later, click on the Saved Prompts button and select your prompt from the list. By following these tips, the Canva plugin will help you to create amazing content for your media channels or your business.